Severe COVID-19 syndromes can be significantly reduced in 2 days. Want to know more? Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to get to know more about hydrogen health for eternity. In order to understand why this is so effective, we have to understand how COVID-19 affects our body when we are infected. According to research published in October 22, 2021, molecular hydrogen, a promising adjunctive strategy for the treatment of COVID-19, indicating that COVID-19 virus overactivate our immune cells, leads to diffuse alveolar damage, which makes patients feel suffocated and have low oxygen in blood. Under the subtitle of Clinical Application and Characteristic of Hydrogen, in the research I mentioned, the severity of COVID-19 can be significantly improved in 2 days. By inhaling a 66% of hydrogen and 33% of oxygen for 7.7 hours each day with basic standard care. Wonder why the result is so effective using hydrogen? The most effective anti-inflaming substance in the world. It's relatively reduced the persistent inflammation caused by COVID-19 virus. Hydrogen also proven to enhance cells self-repairing, even for our brain cells. If you have watched some of my past video, you will know. So, the result of using hydrogen in COVID-19 patients is more effective. It helps reduce the effect and also recovering from it. There is also a book published with commentary with Zhongnan San in October 2020, Hydrogen Oxygen Inhalation for Treatment of COVID-19, proving that molecular hydrogen, a very safe physiological gas, has proven to be able to reduce lungs damage caused by virus, including COVID-19, dyspnea, and promote disease recovery due to its healing biological properties. My channel, Celestial Body, will be major focusing on how to deal with syndrome of long COVID by improving our immune system and anti-aging for health. Natural methods and treatments on depressions, ADHD, Alzheimer's disease, and also brain-related illness. This is what hydrogen can provide to our body. So these are the major things. Please remember to subscribe, ring the bell, make sure you won't miss any information about this. Just to say goodbye to the syndrome of COVID-19. Have a better life, better future. Bye.